Welcome our Grandmaster Sahib on behalf of Karate TV online classes to our testimonial session. I also welcome our Sansai Arun sir, who has given us the opportunity to learn this martial art on the online platform. And I also welcome all my fellow karate enthusiasts to this lecture. And we will continue again. Welcome you all to the session.
Thank you.
She's a professor.
Oh,
Yeah, that's it. It is
what's the area? Professor, right?
professor.
Yes,
Yeah.
in English literature. In English literature. I'm doing research also in English literature.
Oh, you should come to US.
Yes, actually, my major area is American postmodern poetry.
Oh, also my wife is a professor, so you should come. And Arun, can I
Yes,
say
sir.
one thing?
Yes, okay.
I hope everyone, you should have a goal, dream, target. And if you practice, and Arun said it's okay, join me. And
You? Yeah.
Yes. First of all, I would like to express my thanks to everybody who is here, particularly Soke, because I want to share with everybody else. With my father, I have seen many associations and many other karate classes and things like that. To have a grandmaster level sensei or teacher sitting with us and casually teaching us other things. Of course, if you go to seminars and things, you can learn techniques, you can learn other self-defense. But our Soke is special because he teaches more than that. He will give you a personal guidance and all like that. So first of all, thank you, Soke, for very much, because we can learn from him. He always says that we don't need the best person. We need somebody who has the spirit to become best, and that is enough. So I would like to tell everybody that we are lucky like this because we found a teacher who is more interested than us. I have experience. If you ask Soke a doubt in between his lunchtime or something like that, he will just stop everything and start. So thank you, Soke. Thank you.
Sudhishan, Arun, you can't say just lucky. You have a really many nice students here. So
Yeah, that is
you have
that
a
is the most
big responsibility.
Us. My name is Shim Vijay, and I would like to take a few moments to tell you of the immense change karate has brought in me in the last 6 to 7 months. More than anything, karate has brought a big change in the way I think and behave. It has changed my conduct also. Regular body conditioning has given me more stamina, and practice of Kihon and Kata has sharpened my mind. I have more clarity today than before. So I would suggest that you go and find an instructor, a karate instructor in your locality. Or you can join the online karate program at Karate TV. I would like to tell you one more thing. अगर आपको 10 लोगों के सामने कैसे बिहेव करना है इसका ज्ञात ना हो तो भी कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आपको ये ज्ञात होना ज़रूरी है कैसे नहीं बिहेव करना चाहिए. That is more important, and discipline through karate will teach you that. So join the Karate TV program. Os.
And it is an honor to have Soke with us and me getting a chance to speak. I joined this class because I was very fascinated by videos of Sudarshan sir, and I am myself a yoga teacher. So for me, dealing with the mind and meditation and all these things have been there for a long time, and a lot of idea about karate because I felt karate was more about violence and you need to be very aggressive. But when I see Arun sir, he's so calm, so peaceful, yet he is so more than technique. He's sharing his experience with us. as a karate teacher. And I believe that a student always reflects his master. And of course, whenever I get a chance to see you, Soke, your personality and everything is all reflecting on Arun sir. So I have observed that since I have started learning karate, firstly, it is amazing how sir teaches it online, which I never thought it is possible to teach online. So I'm very happy that I could reach him. And second, karate has also got a sense of balance between being strong and being peaceful at the same time, because I used to think you have to run away from violence, but from being a karate student, I have learned that in your presence, the violence will just go. It will not be there. So I'm very grateful to be in this class. And there's this small thing I would like to more share is that, in our tradition, it is said that you can have, there are 4 fortunes that you can have in life. The first fortune is to have a desire to grow. The second fortune is to be interested in learning how to grow. And the third fortune is to find a master who will teach you. And I am very blessed when I say that I have all the 3 fortunes, and I have a wonderful teacher. I'm totally in love with Arun sir and Sudarshan sir. And so, okay, I would really love to come and also learn with you personally. You are an inspiration, and the way you speak, whatever you speak, is always touches my heart, and I learn a lot about my life. Thank you so much.
Go to USA sometime after Corona. It's okay.
Johan, you are thinking really deeply. Great.
I never expected karate could be a spiritual experience for me, because I'm very drawn to spiritual experiences. And I'm doing my yoga. I'm a meditation teacher also, so I am very spiritual as a person. But I was so amazed to karate spiritual. So I'm really loving the whole experience of it.
Thank you.
But one thing I'm still working on is, when Arun sir is very good with changing his roles. He can be very strict when he wants to. He can be very calm when he wants to. And sometimes I fail in showing that attitude or having that attitude, because I'm a very smiling person. So I don't know how to be serious. So
You can see Joel. If you see, it's okay. Well, is angry, la. It's horrible.
So when Arun sir tells me, Johan, show some attitude, I'm like, okay, I don't know how to show that attitude. So I'm learning. Thank you so much.
Soke says always, you will never leave your character. Soke's character is always happy, always doing crazy things, right? So you never stop the character. But when you are serious, you are serious. When you're taking examination, you'll be like this. Okay, Abhilash is there. Abhilash, CB, can you hear me? Abhilash.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yes. Sir, I'm very proud to be a part of Karate TV karate class. I'm very interested in martial arts, and I am also thankful to Arun sir to motivate us daily for continuous practice and sharpen our techniques. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Awesome.
Okay.
Namaste, Sensei. I'm I'm very splendid to meet you.
Yeah.
Since when I was, I was trying to find a passion about something. Tried a lot of things before, like I've tried basketball, swimming, and cricket. I've tried a lot of things so that I can find a passion about it, but uh, I failed in all of it. I was not good at any of this, nor basketball, nor cricket, or swimming. I was not good at any of those. But when I don't remember the movie. When I was like 2 years back, I once saw a movie. It was involved like it was a martial art movie, and I saw this man. He was doing some very cool martial art moves, and I thought, I want to learn this. I want to be passionate about this. I don't want to try this. I want to learn this. I want to be master in this. And I've tried learning a lot of times, but I faced a lot of hurdles while learning. For
How should
example,
I call your name?
Subrojit. It's pretty hard. It's pretty hard to pronounce.
Subroti. Subroti.
Subrojit.
Sir, you just call me Jeet.
Oh,
Just Jeet.
and of course, I like karate, and not sporty type, not a competition type. I like traditional type, but I don't wanna touch other styles. Bad point. Just I love Asai Sensei. Just I love Shotokan. So basketball is bad. This is better. If you said like that to people, usually change next. If you found a good point, you should continue, keep training or keep study or continue. This is my idea. If you want to compare, kickboxing is a stronger move, and Muay Thai is a stronger move. What do you want to get? Most important is, if you found something good for you, you should keep training, keep study. And this is my idea.
Sensei, I have one question. Can I ask?
No, I know it's okay.
Sensei, sometimes what should a person do when he's trying to learn something for such as martial arts? He's trying to learn it, but he just can't due to some reasons. He's having trouble learning it, and he's losing confidence that whether he could actually do it or not. What should he do that time?
You are teaching?
Anything.
Anything?
Yeah.
With studies, I can. I don't know whether I could. I'm capable or not. I'm thinking I will continue with studies.
I think you are. I think you are really smart and honest to yourself. It's okay. Everyone confused, and sometimes they don't care. So they can do anything. So you should ask yourself, and if you don't understand, you should continue think. You should find out something. You should ask Arun. You should ask Sudishan, and you should find out yourself. Even karate practice, Arun and Sudishan is teaching. You think so? No, they are showing. Just they are showing to you. You have to learn yourself. You have to get to yourself. So every time if you are waiting, you need mom and dad forever. You have to be independent. You have to decide. Because you are adult, right? So don't wait, but you are honest. And it's really good. It's usual. Because many people, there is a problem. I don't care. So it's interesting. Our life, if you escape, there is a big problem. You escape. Don't worry about that. 1 year, 2 years, you'll have the same problem. If you think, if you thought, I want to solve, even if you didn't, you was not able to solve, but still you have an experience. So you don't need to stop. You can go little bit forward. Even there is a big problem, you can do something still more. Small point, but if you are doing something, someone help, you make another idea. But if you thought, what should I do? This is a really easy word. If you said, what should I do? Someone, you are waiting, your mom, your dad, what should I do? But now, what can I do? Still, I don't need to stop. I can do something more. And okay, I'll ask Sudishan Sensei. Okay, I'll ask my friend. You have to try. How do you say?
So, okay, can I
Yes,
have
sir.
the permission to talk about you?
Okay.
Soke has got the experience on this. Till his 4th class, he couldn't stand properly. Soke was able to walk in the, I think in the 4th class. He was just helped by his grandmother, great grandmother. She's just goddess for us, right? And you know that in the final athlete meet, he was able to come 3rd position. And Soke cried that day. So that means what Soke is trying that whenever, if he, you know, world renowned 3rd generation teacher, Soke is there with us. You will personally experience when Soke comes to India, or if you go to Japan with him, his potential, his training, everything, you'll come to know that.
Okay, that's why.
So a person like Soke is never stop.
Yeah.
Point, catch, hold, never stop moving. Keep moving, keep moving. This is what. Okay, Mitra, you have many things to learn from this story. Thank you, Soke.
Sir, I am thankful to Arun sir that he worked hard to teach us so that we can understand every moment and increase our confidence level. For me, Arun sir is the best teacher in my life.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Keep training.
I am very thankful to Sensei and Sudarshan sir for starting such a great class. I used to watch the Karate TV videos. Sudarshan sir used to do great videos. He used to add humor to the videos that would make it very interesting for me. It created an interest in karate for me. The classes have changed me physically and mentally both. So thank you so much, Sensei.
Was Sensei?
Yes.
First of all, when I had come to the Karate TV class, I had doubt with myself. I had thought whether I could do or not. But as Sensei had told his experience with Soke, as when he was appointed to the secretary, he had asked a question to Soke whether I am capable or not. So Soke had replied that yes, you had already begun your journey. So that was an inspiration for me. So whenever I have thoughts like this, I remember I had already begun my journey. And when Sensei had taught a lot to control our mind and to practice a lot. And now I am very grateful to have a guru like Sensei, have a teacher like Sensei and Senpai.
Arun Sensei is really kind to you.
Yes.
No, you think a little bit. Okay.
Actually, he is more than an instructor. He's a life-changing person. As I had observed, he is very uplifting and encouraging. Thank you.
If he was mean, you should tell me directly to me.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
Sir, I watched Sudarshan Dev sir's video and I loved it and I joined it.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
you want to speak, talk to Soke something?
Definitely, sir.
Yeah, then speak out. So next time we are planning to have some program in Mysore. We have one sensei there in Mysore. His name is Ashok. Ashok PM.
You had told.
Ashok. Yeah, he is our nodal officer of Sangai Asia. Maurya invites Soke to Mysore. Mysore is the best place. Soke likes. Come on. You don't want to?
Yeah, please come.
Thank you.
Please come to Mysore. You can come to my house. Our house.
Thank you.
Okay, Prashant. Namaskar.
Yeah, hi, namaste. Yeah,
namaste.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm very excited to be part of this group, and it gives some positive vibes and hope for me from hearing the feedbacks from every one of you. And I'm new to the martial arts, but it gives some hope that I can learn this.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, Tamil Nadu, which place is your?
In Tamil Nadu, Erode. In Tamil Nadu, Erode.
I just want to say, actually imagining learning martial but when I really get into it, I just found that it is very easy, and compared to getting the coaching in far town areas, we can learn with our home comfort, and we can ask doubts very easy and all things. What I and yes, sir. I find I did some martial arts classes while I was in college and my schools also. But I find that I am learning better compared to that when I am learning online, sir. Because video means I can see each and every.
Yes, karate, any martial art, when we talk about martial art is more than just art. It is what we can say overall the way of life, because when one is intends to learn martial art, he or she first has to be prepared. He or she has to make her mind prepare for it. For example, if we want to practice martial art, for example karate, we have to wake up early morning, then we have to make ourselves disciplined about it. Then if we want to practice hard, we have to make our body fit for it. We have to take care of our sleep, of our diet, and overall it gives you this control over your body. It gives you control over your mind, and when your mind is in your control, you can achieve anything in the world. And mind is in our Indian philosophy, we can say that mind is at the center of your every achievement. So if you can control your mind, you can achieve anything in the mind. And when everything is in your hand, when you have that confidence that I can achieve anything, you are on the path of your spirituality. If you are humble, that I can achieve anything, now I can go forward in my life. I can go, I can make progress in my life, and I can achieve that ultimate goal in my life, which is what in Indian philosophy we can say that control the mind completely and reach to the position of nirvana. So visibly martial art and these things are visibly is not seen to be connected, but it is inside deeply it is very connected to each other. That this spirituality, this mind controlling, this martial art, this body strength, these all things are connected, and ultimately it makes a person a very good person. It make a person that ultimate soul, which can achieve anything, which can do anything.
Can I ask?
Great. Yeah. It's okay.
Can I ask? Please, you'll get the black belt, and I hope you'll be a Sankukai instructor. Good idea.
I will try my best.
But the karate is not just only for self-defense. A little bit different as other martial arts, because why we have to have really painful practice, hard training, and we are reading opponent's mind, each other. And sometimes we make mistake and oops, sorry, it's really painful, but it's okay. This is the most important. You can feel opponent's pain. And little bit, we can guess opponent's pain. And sometimes we can help. This is the most important. This is most different point. We want to live with others as much as possible, and we want to have a fun life, happy life. So as much as possible, we have to feel opponent's pain. As much as possible, we should help each other. This is our karate.
Oh, Sensei. Sensei, I feel like the most the day I found the channel of Karate TV, that was like one of the best days. I have always wanted to learn martial arts, but due to some reason I couldn't train because my schooling, my college, and all the circumstances were like I wanted to do something, but I couldn't get a chance when I was a kid. But through YouTube, fortunately, I got a video of Karate TV, and I just went through one video, then the next video, then the next video, and I'm like, I want to learn, and I want to learn from Sensei only. And here I am right now. Right now, I have the opportunity. I'll make the best use of it, and I'll do whatever it takes to like make Sensei proud. And I'll try my level best to be his best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anurag. You know, karate, as Soke said, it is not easy, right? Many people run away, right? We have got some pearls from the first batch. You know, only 25 students came for the test, and they are to the next level. Now the others are still there. They paid the money, they are still there. They are not practicing, but it is up to you. As Soke said, we show the things you have to learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Arun. You're from which place?
Sensei, I'm from Jharkhand, but recently I moved to Bombay. I'm from Jharkhand, but recently I moved to Bombay.
Okay. Any new?
I don't want to say anything. I'm really happy to join this session, but sir, I have nothing to tell anything.
Good. So okay, he's a administrative officer in his area. He's a tahsildar in his area. Sort of, government official. Okay, yeah. And I'll call Shiv Shankar ji. Can you please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, okay.
Yeah.
Who's okay? Who's?
Us.
First of all, thank you. Thank you for your time given to us. It will be really important.
Don't worry about that. I'll leave soon. No, it's a job.
Actually, I'm very enthusiastic and I'm very interested in learning the karate. But I am from the couple of rural area, and in that area there is no certain facility available for the karate and all this stuff. But I was very enthusiastic to learn these things. When I go to the town and going to for the engineering and engineering side for the learning, there also I didn't find any classes over there. But in Pune in learning, I didn't get a time and all these things. But when I see the videos of Sir and Sudarshan Sensei and Arun Sensei, Then I was very lucky that they started the classes. It is like my dream. I am living my dream with the Arun sir and this. It's a really great feeling that I get a teacher like Arun sir. He's like a more than teacher for us. And I must tell you, sir, that he's having the very kind heart. In we started journey in like September. I think it's in the 24 September we started the journey. I think in September or October, November, December, we learned many things from him. And in meanwhile, we started one of the very noble initiative, that is the Namo Shakti. Namo Shakti, I think you well know that Namo Shakti is like a we are teaching, and Sensei is teaching some tactical moves and some self-defense techniques to the all women in all over the world. And this is a really kind-hearted person, sir. And this is very kind-hearted and like a very good very good social cause, very good initiative. And really feel very what I can say, a blessing that he has guiding me in this to fulfill my dream. In that Namo Shakti,
Thank you so much.
multiple girls and women and join. First, my wife also join. Yeah, this is the like a one initiative, and we will move that toward. And one thing must I will do. He never asks for the never goes goes for the money also. He is having the very his main intention is very clear. These are really thank you, Sensei, for all of this. And I will be it's yes, I think it's a lot of time I'm taking. Thank
I
you.
want to say one thing.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
You said
Yes, sir.
lucky, right? Lucky is what is really important. Like you, welcome to our organization. What's the purpose? What's the reason? Because if you thought lucky, already you are feeling something. Namaste, right?
Yeah.
Thank you for God. From this mind, if you started, anything you can get. And also, Arun and Sudhishan, they wanna teach as much as possible. Everyone can teach the basic. I don't think so. There is a history, and now we are on a history. But Arun Sensei and Sudhishan Sensei, they know well. So it's not lucky. For me, it's usual. Good.
Karate is just a different field for me. I never had any link before this with martial arts. So karate is giving me more strength, physically and mentally. It breaking my boundaries, both physically and mentally. Till now, it was a very wonderful journey. I broke my many boundaries, and it changing me. It upgrading me to next level. So it's a different world, a new world for me, karate, the world of martial arts. I'm learning very
Right.
different things and many new things. So I'm very excited for the upcoming classes.
How should I call your name?
Neetu.
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 Yes, okay.
Neetu, I hope you know Shotokan, especially our traditional type. We don't need to be a winner, but we never be loser. This is the most important. Of course, Arun and Sudhishan, they are high-level instructor. So really serious real skill you can get. But the most important is suddenly you can change your mind. You can come down anytime. This is the most important. We don't need to be winner. We never be loser. This is the most important point. Keep
sir.
practice.
Thank you, sir. Sure, sir.
Hello Sensei, hello Soke. First of all, I am very thankful to Sudarshan sir and Sensei because they both are giving their effort to teach us. So I am very thankful to both. Thank you Sensei and thank you Sudarshan sir. And I want to say something about Sensei. I never meet a person like Sensei because he is very kind and his way of teaching is very understanding. So I think I'm very lucky because I'm training with Sensei and Sudarshan sir. This is a big opportunity for me. So thank you Sensei and thank you Sudarshan sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to talk. I joined karate for self-defense, but now karate brought discipline, self-control in my life. When I wake up every morning, I think I'm going to learn something very good today, very new, which will develop my personality, character. When I joined karate, on my first day, I was even not able to copy the down block, but now I am learning very new things which I never heard in my life, but now I am learning that things. And at last, in this journey of 3 months, I learned the most important thing I learned from my sensei is Sankukai and never stop. Let it be. If we are doing wrong, it's okay, but don't stop. Thank you.
So you started karate for self-defense? Oh, good. And I wanna say most important is if you had really a bad situation, you can change your mind. This is the number one important. If you thought, finish, that's all. So you have to calm down. And the most important is, what is karate? What is our karate? You are learning patient. Little bit calm down and patient, then you can find out the fact more than usual people. This is a one of weapon. You can make tactics. You can escape. You can survive. This is the most important point.
Yes, okay.
First of all, actually, thank you, Suke, for your valuable time, and it's a thank you very much from the bottom of heart that you give us a valuable guidance, and it is really it really added values to our normal life also. So that values will be guide us in our future for our not only the karate but also in a normal life also. So thank you very much once again, and thank you very much Arun sir and Sudarshan sir that you are teaching us all this kind of not only just physical fitness but also mental peace and all other things also, and also the all other guys are the really fabulous that they all are the like without them this is nothing. They are really good team. Now we have the really good team, and I am sure that we'll definitely move ahead with the good numbers. Thank you once again, Sensei. Thank you. So okay, thank you.
Thank
Yes, Sensei.
you.